Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today, today is Friday, October 7th. We have Chinese bank holiday and we have lots of low impacting news. And at 6 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to plan your trades accordingly. Let us look at what is the trend for dollar index today. I'm in 4 hours time frame of DXY dollar index. And we can clearly notice that it was on a very nice bullish trend and it made a retracement, but it did not break this trend line or the support line. It took support on this trend line and currently we are noticing it to retrace back on the bullish side. Next level of resistance is going to be around 112.709, and once this level is broken we can expect the further continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. So the overall trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bullish trend. Let us begin our gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it was on a very nice bearish trend and the price action had taken support on this bearish channel pattern support line, and we had noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. It is very clear that it couldn't manage to break this resistance line and there is a bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish side retracement. But when we ask the question whether the bearish side trend reversal has started or not, the answer is no. We have to wait for the price action to break this support zone between 1700 to 1680 in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. Because if the price action doesn't manage to break this support zone, we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. For now, this zone will be acting as a very strong support zone, preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action has clearly bounced back from this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, which is around 1730, and we are noticing a retracement to start in daily time frame. And if the retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1700, 1680, 1658 and 1614. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1730, next level of resistance is going to be around 1760 to 1800. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I am again going to draw the trend line or the support line to understand the current trend of the price action. So currently we are noticing the price action to be trading above this trend line or the support line. So as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. But when we look at the chart pattern it is forming into a double top pattern, which means a bearish side trend reversal. But wait for the price action to break this neck level of the double top pattern, which is around 1700, in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side trend. There are lots of support levels which the price action has to break if it wants to continue its bearish side trend reversal. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1730, it is the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side trend in 4 hours time frame, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, again the price action has bounced back from this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to test this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. Once the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect it to retest on this support level of 1700 from the daily time frame. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Again, we can notice that it is making a double top pattern. So wait for the price action to break this next level, which is going to be around 1700, in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on the support level of 1710. If the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1700, 1692, 1684, 1673, 1658. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1730, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. And next level of resistance is going to be around 1762 from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But still the current price action is taking support on this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. Wait for it to clearly break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. Next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1700. But when we look at the overall price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is still consolidating within this higher time frame resistance line and the support line. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the direction momentum on the bullish side, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the bearish side directional momentum in 30 minutes time frame. Till then, we can expect the sideways momentum or range bound price action to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1716, and if this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1721 and 1730. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1711, next level of support is going to be around 1706 and 1700 and 1692. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, from the support level of 1700, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side. Again, it has bounced back from this resistance line of the daily time frame bearish channel pattern on a bearish side retracement. Currently, we are noticing the price action to take support on this 4 hours time frame support line or the trend line, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And as long as this trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame is not broken, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 15 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1714, next level of resistance is going to be around 1718, 1725 and 1730 from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1711, next level of support is going to be around 1707, 1702 and 1696. So to consolidate, the overall price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame is actually under the consolidation within this resistance line and the support level. There is no direction in the price action for now, but if you are a scalper, you can be trading within this consolidation between this support level and the resistance level. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.